Come on. Raheem! It's me, kid. I did it! God. Raheem! You should have seen it. Oh, God. The whole damn building came down! Oh, shit! No, Raheem, stop! Raheem, it's me! It's me, kid, it's Crane! Oh, Jesus! Raheem, stop!
I think you twisted his head the wrong way.
Yeah, I think.
Wound. You goddamn stupid fucking kid! Oh God, Jade.
Crane,
Oh.
do you copy? What's going on?
Brecken. Raheem's dead.
Fuck. Get back here. Don't say a word to Jade. Not yet.
Dumbass.
Raheem's dead.
Literally.
He lied to me about that bite because he wanted me to blow up that fucking building.
I would honestly be pissed if
Bro.
my sibling did that shit.
Livid. Absolutely livid. Controller. Thank you.
You just have to talk sweet nothings to it and it'll be alright.
You have to tell the controller, you better work or else I'll destroy you.
If you don't be good by Christmas, I'll make sure I'll get a new one
I'll
to
have
replace
a new
you.
one.
Yeah, I'm planning on getting a new controller for Christmas, kind of like a present.
Yeah.
But before that, there's a lot. That's why I'm playing $2,000, and because it's family presents and some other personal stuff, like a new gaming chair or just a chair, and what else? New mouse. Cause mine's like literally half working, half not. Like I have to keep hitting it, banging it to keep it working. Okay, that just sounded wrong.
Yeah, you
Now
have to
I'm
keep
thinking
hitting
of
it
it.
from the back or whatever.
Yeah, I have to keep freaking hitting it on my desk for it to work.
Yeah.
I've had it for years, so it was good, but the brand's not. I don't think the brand is even around anymore.
It reminds me of like an old Xbox 360 controller that I had. You just hit it and then it start working again.
Yeah, that's exactly.
How did he die? I had to kill him. It was too late. He turned. I had no choice, I swear. Look, he was my friend, too. He was the best one I had here.
I know. He frustrated the shit out of me sometimes. I loved him like he was my own kin. Another dead friend. Another dead brother.
I trusted him. I trusted him with those explosives. God, maybe if I didn't leave him there, he'd still be alive. Oh no. Jade!
Wait!
Jade, god damn it!
Just give her time. She needs to grieve. Whoa!
Kaboom!
Shit! Get down there! We can't let them take him!
Who we fighting?
Rises, guys.
Oh my gosh! Explosions everywhere. What is this, Michael Bay film? Jesus! Oh, come on. There we go. Whee!
Oh.
Doc! Doc, are you in here?
No. Controller! Thank you.
You asked for it. Quiet. I heard something.
Oh, he's dead.
Hey,
Light him on fire. So you dead.
Oh, I chopped it. Oh!
shit.
Oh! Oh! I just chopped his head off. Oh, I chopped his arm off. Ooh. Brother, ooh.
Brother.
Ooh, a gun.
Oh, he's got me my ammo now.
Hey, you got guns now.
No, I had a gun, I just didn't have any ammo for it.
Oh. Meant to. What boy? Yo, Doc.
No one inside. They took Zera and drove away.
Ow! Did you shoot me?
No. I don't think I can.
Shit.
Oh.
Brecken. Zara's been kidnapped. His trailer's on fire.
God damn it! You see what happens when you fuck with Rice? You should never have hit that school. Some of our people spotted a big
Well,
knot of bandits heading back to Rice.
We're just gonna kill him.
That's
Don't worry,
likely where
we'll
they
kill
took
him.
Sarah. You go there and you
I don't know
find
why
him
we haven't already.
alive. You hear me?
Alright, we'll just simply kill him. Like how we always have.
I would have killed him a long time ago. Nobody sends me on fetch quests and gets away with it.
Yeah. I'ma kill you, bitch!
Hey, get out of here.
Oh, okay. I thought I killed him. Man down, man down, man down.
Yeah. You're surrounded by volatiles in case you haven't noticed.
Oh yeah, I almost killed one. But he did a 1-2 and thought he was Muhammad
Whoa,
Ali.
you son of a bitch. Get shot, idiot. He's dead. Get up.
You just got me in time.
Climb up, climb up, climb up.
I'm trying!
I killed the other volatile.
I'm in.
Damn. The volatiles give you a lot of freaking points for killing them. Speaking of which... Ow! Oh, what the hell?
What is that? Jesus, I just see this dude walk up on me. And I'm fighting a freaking viral at the moment.
Hurry up, Crane. We gotta get him back.
Shut up, dude. We're dead.
Guy coming back. Oh, we're dead right now.
I'm coming.
Yeah, in 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I almost made it. Get off me. What? I'm getting like hit from all sides here. What the hell?
Bro got gangbanged. Basically.
Yeah, there's like 3 virals here. A volatile.
Well, I won't go over there then.
Okay.
We'll just go and rescue Zara or Zer.
There.
Yes, I had it right. Yeah, same thing.
I just need to kill some guys. That's why I'm here. I'm just kill things. Are you gonna kill that bolter?
I hope you're on your way to
No.
Rice's garrison. You better be.
Shut up, dude. What? You have a hole in your head. What the fuck? Get back. Back. Now you're dead.
Up, agility, level up.
Where the hell are you? Have you gone after Sarah? What the hell are you waiting for?
Shut up, dude. You yelling at me makes me less and less likely
Reckon the
going
garrison's
one
shut
to help
down.
you.
The doors are sealed off. I don't think I can get in.
Find another way in then. Check the back, but don't take any stupid
Oh,
chances.
survivor point. I didn't even notice
Those
that.
bastards will rip you apart if they get the opportunity.
Grapple!
Oh, you finally got the grapple? Lucky you, huh?
Yes!
You gotta craft it
And I
first.
got agility points. So what should I do? Tackle. I'll do health regen. Alright, I forgot what the button was for. How do I do it?
Oh, that's not
What?
fair.
Learn how to create and use a grappling hook.
What the fucking hell? Oh, you son of a bitch.
Okay. So how do I make it? Grapple hook, grapple hook, grapple hook. I'm not seeing grapple hook.
We may have a problem.
I have water. Pretty sure we can just go on top and do it, right?
We have to go a certain way.
Oh.
I can't go that way, it's the other way. Maybe you can just like scale up there with a grappling hook. Wish I
How
had
do I
that.
make it though?
You have
Found
to
an
craft
entrance.
it.
I can't say it was easy though.
It doesn't.
going
It didn't
in.
show for
Just
me.
keep your eyes open.
Just go to your blueprints, it should be in there.
Alright, I'll check. Arrows, all-purpose. Empress, heat wave, rusty
Dumbass.
spine, sandstorm. No, I don't see it. No grappling hook.
Who is it?
Yeah, that's right. Give me all your ammo.
I heard something.
Huh.
And that's why you heard something, but you don't hear anything anymore, because your head is non-existent.
Oh, how did you go,
You gotta climb up,
Oh, I see. Oh. Where is
Yeah, it's
it
over by the
opening?
van.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't see it in the blueprints.
Oh, I'm almost there. I have 2 levels to go.
Yeah. Almost glitched it. I was right there. There you go. There you go.
Huh. Okay.
What the?
Give me their ammo. I want their ammo. Where's their ammo? I need more ammo. Ammo. Where ammo? Where are you hiding your
knife.
ammo?
I'll check again if it's here, but I don't see it. Ben Franklin's key, spiked collar, flap clap, electrocutioner, stay down, 230 electric cutter, bolt turk poison, god hammer, angel sword, Empress candy cutter, heat wave, rusty spine, sandstorm shield, firecrackers, Dahlia's shroom potion, lockpicks, medkit, resistance booster, night vision, speed booster, and stamina booster. Flammable liquid, flares, molotovs, conducting liquid, throwing stars, water 2.0. That's all the blueprints.
Huh.
That's so weird. It says learn how to, so there must be a thing that I have to look for. It did mention the quartermaster. Like if you need if you ever lose your...
Oh yeah, you can go. I think you can get to the quartermaster and you can get one from him.
Yeah. Oh, there's one more guy.
Do you have a gun? I want his ammo.
No, he doesn't have a gun, but I'm gonna kick him. Like I own the place! Give me your money.
No.
Ooh, batteries.
We just robbed this guy.
Killed him and robbed him. That's a hell of a way. Ah, here we go.
Yeah, we were supposed to rob people first, but no, we just killed them, then robbed them.
We kill them and then we loot their bodies. Just like savages.
Crane here. I could really use some GRE support right now.
That's too bad, Agent Crane. This is the Ministry of Defense.
The fuck? What the hell's going on? What happened to the GRE?
The global relief efforts position here has been diminished. We are in charge now, and we have declared Harran a Code 1 target zone.
Wait. Just hang on. You can't just carpet bomb this place. There are still hundreds of innocent people in here. Maybe thousands.
Irrelevant. We're doing this to protect billions of lives. Surely you can understand that.
Okay, just listen. There's this scientist in here named Zera, and he's been doing research on a cure, and he's really close. I've seen the research. If you bomb the city, just...
Acknowledged. The chances of one scientist in a wrecked city coming up with useful results are negligible at best, but you have 48 hours.
You have 48 hours. Alright. For us, that's gonna be a couple of episodes.
Maybe 2.
Really? That left? That much left?
Depends.
Still feel like we're kind of like still in the beginning.
It speeds up a little bit.
Shit, it's broken.
Like how much? Like how much do you think we have left?
haven't even got to the other place yet, so
And
we still
we're in.
got a little bit.
Oh. Oh. There we go. I was having issues. There we go.
Open it. Guess we gotta go this way.
For some reason, right here, this reminds me of Outlast. I don't know why. Probably because of the barricading. Just reminds me of Outlast.
How many bullets can you take?
Oh my god! I put him on fire, decapitated him. This is what you do for Michael Myers. That's what you do. He won't get up afterwards.
I'm taking you out.
I don't think he'll get up after that.
Imagine he does. That'd be crazy. Alcohol. Found alcohol. Oh, I can make a god hammer. What? Oh. I was gonna say I can be Thor again.
Where are
Shit.
you, old friend?
Let's get it.
Kidding me?
Whoa, he's freaking out. You see that?
Yeah. Thank you for the cleaver and your $55. Wow. You had 54 bucks and then another 55 bucks. Bro was loaded. Hello, room
Couldn't find something
service.
Inside. Building looks empty though.
There's an underground level. Maybe he's down there.
Oh, there's some ammo over here.
Alright, I'll check it out. Give me a sec. There's a hard box. Oh, I just had it. Ah, just broke it. That should be good. Now, there we go. Oh, a scythe. And a pouch.
It's a
Oh,
brass
nice.
knife.
Not a scythe, it's a sickle. A thickle.
Yard this.
Where did you say there was ammo?
It's over here.
It
It should be in this cupboard there.
Rifle ammo. I'm full.
For you.
I'll take military knives though. Oh man, this area is small as hell.
Hey, they just got more rifle ammo.
Shh, quiet.
I'm getting more. What can I craft my
There you are.
pistol into?
Ow! Shooting me is not nice for a person to do that. I say that's very rude.
I'm
Alright, fine.
coming!
Alright, where are you? Just gonna.
Where are the... Okay. Oh yes, this gunfight.
Down on the ground! I took it down on the ground! Oh. Get down on the ground! Told you to get down on the ground. Thank you for your rifle, sir. I told you to get down on the ground! Ooh, oh, German pistol in here. Nice. And I'm full on pistol ammo. Okay.
Give me all your money.
I opened a van. You might get some good shit. Get back here.
I'm gonna go check out the van, see what they have in the van.
Where the fuck? He just
Pistol
disappeared.
ammo.
He just disappeared. He just vanished.
Tag it.
Are you not gonna die? Alright, yes, you're dead, finally. Alright, where are you? Oh, there you are. Oh, wow. Pistol ammo. A lot of pistol ammo. A rifle I'll take.
Oh. He doesn't have a head anymore.
Ooh. No head?
No head. So no head?
That's the joke I was literally making.
Yeah, I know.
Who is it? Who's there?
Relax, Doc. It's me.
Crane. Thank God. Listen, this is important. I'm not safe anymore, obviously. But my research must not die with me.
You're not gonna die, Doc, but right now we have to get out of here. So please, lower your voice.
Oh, yes. All right. But understand, my research, it must reach Dr. Camden. That's why I gave the packages to Jade. I know you said you would deliver them, but she was there, and time being of the essence.
Doc?
There's no way.
It takes no more than a false hope of rescue to loosen the good doctor's lips.
No shot.
Scorpion down, spare no resource.
With pleasure. And these two? What should we do with them?
You'll never find her. Never. And I'll never talk. You'll get nothing from me.
I am less concerned with making you talk, Doctor, than I am in preventing your escape.
Sadistic fuck, he's an old man.
Give the doctor some first aid. And take Crane to the beat.
To the beat. To the beat. When can we kill him? I want to kill him.
No, we have to wait till the end of the game because he has plot armor, that's why.
Oh, okay.
Because right here, you could definitely, like,
Stand him up.
grab one of their guns, have one of them shoot the other guy. He's like,
Right.
yeah, he's like,
You come to us like a snake in the grass. Here, in a city of lies. You are the biggest liar of them all.
What the hell are you talking about? Answer me, motherfucker!
Yes, lose control. That is what you Americans
Oh,
are so
good.
at, after all.
yes, talk about America. Because that's all you're good at, is blowing buildings up.
Not bad. Clear out the corpses. Leave Crane.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm such a badass. Look at me, I kill my own man. You're just gonna get fragged, you know that, right? Your own men are going to kill you because you're killing them. For no reason.
Oh, I don't have my guns, damn it. I was gonna ready to pull out my Rise's gun and just shoot him.
Yeah.
Well, I love punching.
There's things you can grab on the ground, you know that, right?
Oh, really?
Are you fucking kidding me? Controller!
I'm gonna beat you with a stick! I'm gonna beat you with a stick! Bonk, bonk,
What?
bonk, bonk.
What? Oh, you die whenever you run into it, but when I throw you into it, you don't die. Okay, that's fun.
There we go. Back it up, cuzzo. Alright, come on. Jimbo.
Oh, that's you. I was about to ready to drop kick you.
Sorry, knife. Gas pipe, alright. I got a better weapon now. This thing will pack a punch.
Oh, pack a
Come
punch,
on.
you say? Wrong franchise, dummy.
Oh, is there 2 zombies left? Yeah.
Are you not entertained?
Word of your feet here will spread. Such a shame you'll be a corpse by then. Is this your first feeble attempt at controlling your own destiny, Crane? Too little, too late, I fear. Impressive.
I threw a
For
knife
a
at him.
walking dead man.
I threw a throwing knife twice at him and it did not phase him. Ah, firecrackers.
You gotta pick up a machete. You gonna come over here and...
Oh, okay. You're just holding on to it. No, it's a big boy.